In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Word document as PDF/A archival format. If you need to preserve a document so it opens reliably years from now, PDF/A is the way to go. It's an ISO standard designed specifically for long-term archiving. Unlike a regular PDF, PDFA embeds fonts and key resources into the file and trims features that could break over time, so your document looks the same wherever and whenever it's opened. Start by opening the Word document you want to preserve. Make sure it's finalized and looks exactly how you want it to appear, since the goal here is to lock in layout, fonts, and formatting for the long haul. When you're ready, go to the File menu and choose Save As. This takes you to the place where you decide how and where the new file will be created. Pick the location where you want to save the file. Choose a folder you'll remember, and, if you're working with official records, consider using a clear, consistent file name with the date or version. Good naming now makes retrieval much easier later. Next, in the Save as Type dropdown, select PDF. This is important because the Options button you need only appears once you've chosen PDF as the file type. If you don't see options right away, double-check that PDF is selected and that you're in the standard Save As dialog. Now click Options. In the Options window, look for the setting labeled ISO 19005-1 Compliant, PDFA. Check that box. This is the crucial switch that tells Word to generate a PDFA file rather than a standard PDF. By enabling it, Word embeds fonts, restricts certain interactive elements, and aligns the file with archival requirements. Be aware that because of this, the resulting file might be slightly larger than a regular PDF, and certain dynamic features, like multimedia or active content, won't be included, which is exactly what you want for preservation. Click OK to confirm your choice, and then click Save. Word will export your document as a PDF/A file in the location you selected. From here, you can share it with confidence, upload it to a record system, or store it for compliance and future reference, knowing it's built to be readable for years to come. That's all there is to it. By using Save As, choosing PDF, enabling ISO 19005-1 compliant, PDF/A, and saving, you've created a standards-compliant archival copy that protects your formatting and ensures long-term accessibility.